me want to eat one?
Yeah, man.
Then you could have asked me that.
Here.
So me and Ali but work for nothing.
Hi guys. Alright.
Oh, you come with popcorn with
No water.
I use some cream people take it and that's down in
Hi guys. Welcome back to another video with me and Mom. So today, once again, we're in the kitchen today. And we have some rain outside today as well. Look at evening rain. Because we're gonna be making some cupcakes today. It's like evening time, so you know, dessert time. We just don't eat dinner, so we're gonna be making some cupcakes today. Just regular vanilla cupcakes. Yeah.
I'm tired, family. I'm so tired.
Just regular vanilla cupcakes, but we're going to frost them. You know, maybe like use a different look of color here or there. I'm gonna show you guys like how to frost them, make them look pretty. Yeah, so that's basically what we're doing and how you can kind of set it up on like the table to make it look, you know, presentable. And cupcakes are for everybody, truly, kids, big people, whoever you want. Yeah. So we just have a basic vanilla cupcake recipe that we're doing. We have flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, vanilla, oil, eggs. Yeah, and that's.
And we want to show them to know that it's okay for them to, you know, make cupcakes and have it at the dinner, whatever, Christmas dinner.
Yeah, you can have it at the table.
Yeah, because this is like for everybody.
Yeah.
You know, you can make it at that time. And yeah, this is what we're doing. Make sure you have some of that, you know. You said cupcakes are for everybody, kids are everybody. You sure?
Yeah, I think it's for everybody.
No, kids mostly like
so
cupcakes.
We're gonna be doing, this is 12. Gonna be using a 12 cupcake. Is this a muffin or a cupcake? No, this is a cupcake.
It's a cupcake.
Muffin is a little bit bigger. So we're gonna start on our dry ingredients first.
So which one of them?
Just gonna tilt down.
You can use, you know, like you can get some of these.
Oh, these are cupcake liners. You have different colors.
So we have these, some of these are different ones on the Amazon storefront. So you know, like for holiday, you see them have the holiday look. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna do the dry ingredients first and just kind of get it out the way. So then the wet ingredients section, just put everything in here. So I'm gonna do flour.
So okay guys, I'm taking a seat today because I'm really tired. Been doing a lot, so I'm tired. You know it goes sometime. So literally I'm just like, she's mixing up the batter. It's not hard because the oven has already been preheated.
Yeah, so that's a basic cupcake recipe that we came up with.
This is our personal one that we tried.
When we do baking, like when we do our little bake sales and stuff like that, we have to make up our own little recipes, so it's easier for us to just have them on hand and we can just
I don't really walk around and take people recipe like that. You see, I try to have my own recipe, make my own measurements, try them and prove them.
But what's your favorite like cake or like sweet or so that you make? Oh, pineapple upside down cake. Okay.
Or carrot cake. You know, those are my two favorites, right? And I don't mind baking them anytime. I don't mind baking banana bread too, because banana bread is one of the I don't even know how people say them not get banana bread right. I don't know. I can't get that because banana bread is one of those very forgiving baking recipe there. Trust me, anything you do with it come out good.
Alright. So my dry mixture finished, just incorporating everything inside there. So which one would you like to try that you haven't done as yet that you want to give a chance?
Which cake?
Yeah. Pastry or any cake or pastry that you haven't tried yet that you want to try.
Pastry that, let me see, that I am longing to bake. Or I have never
Or you've never baked it before but you want to try it.
I think I want to master cheesecake more.
Oh, so, but you've done
different types
already.
of cheesecake.
You just
Yes,
want to try.
I have. But it's not, there's a lot of different types of cheesecake. So I want to. But there are so many pastries that I have not yet tried. But I don't remember them often right about now. But pies.
Yeah, I've never seen you do a pie.
Yeah, I want to do a pie. Because I'm seeing
Adding
where
some oil.
people on the internet are making a big issue out of a pie dough. And the pie dough should be anything hard. So I want to do pies. I want to do a pie.
So I'm just mixing out the sugar and the oil. Normally we add milk, but don't have any milk today, so we're just gonna use some water.
And in baking, most of the times water can be substituted for milk.
So now that that's done, we're going to add in our dry ingredients little. So they say it, or alternately, which is
no, this is not alternately. This alternately is like some dry,
some wet, some dry,
so
some wet, some white, some dry, some wet. So I'm just adding it in little by little. So once all of it is like mixed together, I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, so this is little cupcake dispenser and the cupcake batter is inside there. So literally all I do, and I don't fill it up all the way, I just go like 3/4 of the way. Sometimes I have to help them a little bit.
Seems that some of them are a little bigger than some.
Yeah.
Are they really seeing? I think you always do a better job than I do with that.
Oh, because I can kind of control my hand like this, right?
Okay.
Alright guys, so these are the cupcakes, right? All of them full up, 12. We have a little bit left back.
Not full up, you're not supposed to full up.
Not full up to the top, but obviously, you know, 3/4 of the way. We have a little bit left back here and just
you're not supposed to have any leaf back. I don't know what you did. I don't know what you did, but normally when I do it, I don't have leaf back. But that's the flour too has a lot to do with. I don't know. We have the recipe. She worked from the recipe, but I don't know. But the next clip will be the fun part.
We're going to put this in the oven now. We're gonna bake it, and then we're going to work on 20 minutes, and then we're going to work on the frosting.
20 minutes.
Okay, so the cupcakes are out of the oven. This is what they look like. Look close up. You see how nobody's like over spilling or anything like that? That's the reason why I do it 3/4. So them come up with a little bounce to the top, but them not overflow. You know, some cupcake just big and overflow. Not like that.
Some of them just flat.
Yeah, and some of them are flats too. So you don't want them like that. And
what I want to point
they're still hot, but this is like the springy texture that we're talking about when you're putting the
what I want to talk about too,
the baking soda.
the flour.
Mine need it hot.
Oh, the flour. You see these little, sometimes it depends on your flour. I knew this flour wasn't a good.
Yeah,
not that it is not a good, but I realized that it has a little thing about it, the flour that we use. So don't mind these, because we got frost these. Yeah. We're gonna put on some frosting.
Some of them don't have any. Some of them don't have any cracks at all, like this one.
It's not crack.
There's no cracks on this one or anything
Can't
like
take them
that.
out now?
This is just a little indent that I made to check and make sure say them finish.
Can put them definitely on the wire up now, make them too. So I'm over there preparing the frosting. Camera girl, I get it yet. You make frosting already? You ever make frosting?
I have. I just made it one time, not a lot of time.
The type of frosting I go for, because I'm in the cupcake business, and the type of frosting I go for because I'm in the tropics, I go for a frosting that does not run when the heat takes it. So I had to come up with that come up with a recipe there for that frosting there. Because when I'm about to transport, when I decorate, and when I'm about to go deliver my cupcake, then I can't have the cupcake them around. So I had to come up with a recipe for my frosting that does, even though I have a cooling bag or we have coolers that we transport them in, you still need to look here when Jamaica sun hot, you know. So we're gonna leave these a pretty good time and let them.
These are gonna cool for maybe like about another half an hour.
So. Another half an hour, and they're properly cool.
By then, the frosting will be cool as well.
Yes, I am preparing the frosting.
We're gonna come back with our bags. And
maybe them there. Got the bag. We're using disposable bags.
Yeah, we're gonna use disposable bags, and the tips.
Me, I do 6, and you do 6.
Yeah, so we're sharing. Mom is doing her half, and I'm doing my half. If we're adding colors, we'll show you as we go along. If we're adding color to it.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish the frosting over here, and when you see me back, we're gonna have a little fun because it's Christmas.
So we're back at our station. We have our we have our frosting here. This is my little portion in my bowl. We have our disposable bags and our tips inside, each of our one. Mommy already started put her one in her bag. We're using separate colors, so Mom is doing teal and white. She's mixing her colors, and I'm just doing pink alone. So I'm gonna
fam, when I'm working with certain things, I get really disappointed. I can never ever get any good confection and sugar in Jamaica. In fact, sometimes I have to make my own from the granulated sugar, but when I use those that I get online, they're so good. I don't know what is happening. So when I get, you know, they always, so this is one that we got locally, but I'm making the best of it. So right now I'm at there, so you know, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna get this. I'm not supposed to
Alright, so I'm mixing out my pink. I think I might want it a little bit brighter. So good all.
What me get mine enough I want to make a two thing. So I don't know if I get it all the way down. So I'm gonna take out some of my white already. So I'm gonna be like, and this steel is steel, but it's very strong, really, really strong. Worse frosting than they have out here. I never didn't get icing sugar.
It's probably wherever they make it, I guess.
I don't know.
Maybe the process that they're using doesn't bring out the granules as
so I'll
small
work
as
with
they
this
should.
shade.
That's fine. Okay.
This is a nice shade.
Yes, it's also.
But this is teal. This is not teal.
This is my pink. I'm gonna stick with this color. I feel like the light pink is nice. I'm gonna stick with that color. I'm going to add it into my. You kind of just wasted that. That's fine.
Yeah, but it's okay.
Okay. I'm gonna go one at a time.
Me can ready, me can go?
Yeah, go ahead.
So
this is our
yeah, me eat icing.
cupcake rack stand. So the blue and the white ones, those are Mom's, and then the top ones, those are mine. As I said, I just use, I can't lift it up anymore, I don't want it to fall. I just use one color. No, it's, I'm spinning it. I used one color. I just used pink because I just felt like using pink.
I wanted to do that two.
Mom wanted to do the two tone.
And I'm disappointed, fam, with the frost, the type of icing.
So this is basically us just showing you guys how you can set up your, maybe like a little table, or however you want to do it.
Welcome. You are saying that cupcake are for everybody. As everybody love cupcake.
In my opinion, yes,
True,
cupcakes are for everybody.
But you can comment and tell us. But that says so too. But I'm saying like mostly when you know that you say something like this come out of the dessert part, right? But you're gonna set up some of them something there from, not true, from here set the table, not so?
Yeah.
So this is it, fam. We can't do it too much, and the base is just in a little cup. So
yeah, because with the,
we're showing you just like
base
this is like a little cheap. It's easy to set up.
Yeah.
This not take on not only per money, it costs you
and
less
you can
than if you go out for go buy, because something you go out for go buy.
And
yeah, you interchange mean you can do different color frosting, this, that. You can put your sprinkles, you can do your this. But you don't comment and tell me who for pattern look the best.
That. You want sprinkles on yours?
Put sprinkles on yours because yours are plain.
Okay.
Right, so this is just like showing you, because people know them are try for us and they're having.
So here it is now with the sprinkles on
like
top.
issues.
The sprinkles don't really make much big of a difference, but it's.
I think it does. So guys, this is what we have.
You want to try it?
Of course, there's enough for me. If you want to eat one,
yeah,
then you could have asked me that.
Here.
So me and Ali button work for nothing. Lord miss.
Take one.
So me if you try one of yours and you try one of mine. Can it go that way or do you care? Do you not care?
Go ahead, either one is fine.
Alright, try
I
one
guess that's
after me.
fine.
Yeah, I may try one of yours. I'm show them yours. So you can show them. This is scopes. Yeah. But are the same frosting.
It's the same
anyway,
frosting and the same thing.
I just the coloring and the coloring and the flavor.
Fun fact, I'm not the biggest fan of frosting. Or I prefer less frosting on my cupcakes. I'm not the big like.
I don't mind it, but
frosting
this sugar is not giving me what I want. But
so I normally just take a little piece and I just eat it. It's not bad. Mine.
that I can start out some of them.
The frosting is a bit. It's not the worst, no.
The frosting, the texture, not the good, but the flavor.
No, the flavor is fine.
The flavor
Yeah,
is good.
the texture. It
As
could
a
be
lot
better,
of people don't know, so you have to flavor up the frosting for it have nice flavor, you know. But the texture, not my style.
The cupcakes are good though.
Mm-hmm.
Rather than mess up cupcakes.
If our recipe is always good.
They're not too sweet.
We try not to make
You
it
have
good.
frosting on top, so you don't want your cupcakes to be too sweet already.
So
these are fine.
you can buy cake mix if you want to go from
Yeah,
scratch.
you can use cake
You
mix,
can
or if you
go
want to
ahead.
go
You
from
can buy
scratch.
your ready-made frosting, store-bought or whatever. And also the kids, you can get them involved in this, and you know,
This
to
is
help,
good for children.
yeah, to help them to go along with you. Make a little mess. A little mess is gonna make.
For kids, you can do cupcakes, or if you want them to be a little bit more hands-on, you can do cookies. Those good kids like those.
She had a cookie somebody, man. I cookie somebody. How man? I've never seen. Maybe some people. I'm not into cookie, you know.
Depends on the type of cookie. Not every cookie is for everybody. You like the oatmeal cookie.
Yeah, I like the, no. I like the cookie that you made, and you would never give me the recipe you made.
I don't have one. I just did mix up some stuff the day. I don't have them anymore.
They don't write down what you mixed up, but it was good. It was really good. How could you not have a recipe
Maybe I did
for
write
that?
it down. It was just a bunch of stuff I found in the house.
Where this come from?
What is? I might not just eat it. I'm telling you something I really like frosting. I just eat most like cake. I like the frosting. So yeah guys, this is our video for today. We hope you liked it. If you want to try cupcakes and stuff like that, mom has a video on cupcakes already on her, more than one video on her channel already, and frosting as well, and she decorated them different. And I was gonna say, oh, remember to like, share, comment down below which one was your favorite. If you like the blue one, which was the mommy one was the blue and white. Mine was the pink with the sprinkles.
That down here.
Oh yeah. Mine was the pink with the sprinkles. Mine was the blue and white. And we just set it up, you know, that little way here. So which one that you liked?
Cupcake. A cupcake is always good.
Yeah, and you don't have to eat 25,000. It's not gonna do anything
just
to
one
you.
cupcake.
Just
that's
one
enough.
is fine, truly.
That's
and if you don't
enough.
like frosting, you can eat the cupcake as it
You
is
can
by
eat the
itself.
cupcake as it
Because
is.
it's good too.
But I don't think a cupcake without frosting is anything. Come on. Cupcake without some frosting, I don't think.
Alright guys, so that's our video for today. The cupcakes were good. The frosting could have been, the texture of it could have been better. The flavor is fine, but the texture could be better.
Boy, the cupcake them good.
So we'll see you guys in another video. Bye.